Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to resolve the frequent issue of Facebook ads payment failures in under 5 minutes. Let's get started so your advertisements can begin running smoothly again. First, you must access the Facebook Ads Manager. Open your web browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager on Google. Click the primary link that directs you to the official Ads Manager landing page. Once you arrive, you will need to sign in. Look at the top right corner for the button labeled Go to Ads Manager. Click that to reach the login screen. Here, securely input the email address and password linked to your Facebook account. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to enter your campaign dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the top of the screen and find the tab for Billing and Payments. Click this to open your payment management section. In this area, locate and select Payment Settings. This step is vital because it allows you to verify and modify the billing information attached to your account. Carefully check your credit card details, as small errors are often the cause of payment declines. Ensure the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address are all perfectly accurate. If you find any mistakes, update them immediately to avoid further rejections. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your end. If your information is correct, but the payment still fails, contact your bank. They might be blocking the charge for security reasons, and a quick call can often clear the restriction. If the issue continues, consider using a different payment method entirely. Within the payment settings, you can add a new credit card, debit card, or even an online payment service to resolve the block. Finally, always make sure your billing data stays current. Review these settings regularly, particularly when you receive a new card or change banks. Keeping this data updated is essential for uninterrupted service. By following these instructions, you can fix any Facebook payment errors. Thank you for watching.